Hello, beautiful friends, and happy 4th of July. We're super excited to share today some of our most favorite 4th of July photos, along with some boom-tastic garden ideas that we have seen from friends and family and other places. Stay tuned. We have some cute little special guests that are going to share some really fun and cool garden ideas, and stay tuned to the end to see some spectacular photo ideas for your garden. Please enjoy. Hello everyone, this is Cooper and MJ. These are my nephews, and they are doing some chalk art out here on my patio. It's adding some really cool stuff to my garden.
I'm about to make like something kind of looking like stained glass like that over there.
Okay.
And like, so like I put tape all over and then I color in it. I'm going to do different colors and then I'm going to rip the tape off.
Okay, can we come back and video you when you're ready to rip the tape off?
Yeah.
All right, stay tuned. How about you, little Cooper? What are you doing?
I'm doing like a building there's another line and another line like this and this.
Okay.
And I'm trying to do another tape like this.
Okay.
Right here.
All right. Can we come back and videotape you when you're done, when you take the tape off?
Yeah.
Okay, to be continued. So we are back with MJ and Cooper, and they are going to reveal their final works of art on the patio. Cooper's going to go first. Cooper, you ready? MJ's ready to reveal his. MJ, tell us what you're doing.
It's supposed to be like a bunch of colors.
Okay, you're just going to rip the tape off?
Yeah, let me.
That is really something. You guys have really turned my back patio from blah to ah. Amazing job.
So we got all our rocks here, and we're gonna make a tower out of all these rocks right here.
They're gonna make a little
Cooper's gonna help me.
a Zen rock tower for my garden. I love it. Okay, let's see how you do this so people know how to do it if they want to build one.
So you have to start like with a big rock, so it's like all stable. Then you can put like the next smallest one.
Okay.
So then you can put like a dino tooth on it.
That does look like a dino tooth. Hold that up so we can see that. Wow, okay.
So you can put it on top. If you have to hold it and then make sure it's stable.
So any shape works, you just have to get it to balance?
Yeah.
Okay, so cool.
And then this one's pretty flat, so it has to be very balanced. So like and then this one goes on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Ta-da! And that just adds a whole another beauty level to my garden. Thanks, guys. Do you have anything else you'd like to say?
Well, we're really happy to be on here.
Okay.
And we can make more rock towers.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our boom-tastic photos along with all of our fun ideas and tips to make your garden shine bright. Please be sure to hit subscribe, like, and comment. We are really trying to get to 3,000 subscribers on this July 4th, so you could be number 3,000. And don't forget, go find your passion today.